Hello, welcome back. It's another unboxing video. It's slightly different this time because this is offcuts or scrap metal, whatever you prefer to call it. I've no idea what's in here apart from the weight. I've ordered 25 kilos. I've got this from the same firm as I got my metal for the Fast 8 project. The only thing is I think that's a bit thick. That's a 3mm, and I think I should order 2.5mm for that, but maybe I'll order some more of that 50 by 25 at 2.5mm. I'm not too sure. I think the 3mm might be a bit heavy. Anyway, without going off the subject too much, I ordered this. I think it's 38 quid. I'm not sure. I think it's if it's different to that, I'll alter it, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was. £38 for 25 kilos of offcuts. Now, unfortunately, that's the bloke from Derek Chest passed it to me. I did notice there was I pushed it back in, a bit of metal hanging out of it, like this. So I'm guessing I could have lost some. There's a bit of a gap there. I haven't seen what's in it, but yeah. But I've just weighed it, and it actually weighs in at 22.3 kilos. But I'm happy enough with that. I'm not going to argue over, a kilo or so. Obviously it's got to be under the weight of 25 for the post, I suppose. And not being funny, I'm not worried about it. It's not what I've got it for. I've got it for just to see what you get. If you want a particular, I don't know, box or something like that, been, a box full of box or tube or whatever, or flat or angle, they try their hardest to. They will try their hardest to do it, but I don't care. Just wherever comes, I thought it'd come in handy. Yeah, so let's open it up and see what we've got. Like I say, that I've weighed it on my electric scale before somebody says, "Oh, the weights wrong," and all this. Like I say, wherever comes, we get and we'll be happy with. There's some big bits of boxes in there, big box bits. Like I say, you can never tell what you're going to get. I'm just going to destroy it because I think that's the only way really into it. Some handy bits I can see already. I'm doing this a bit of a hurry because I'm actually waiting for another parcel. One of them days we've had my metal turned up. Same company, like I say, but they come from a different transporter carrier. There's some nice little bits in here. Got nicely packed as well. There's loads of stuff inside. So we've got some big bits. Like I say, whatever you order will be different to this. That's got a lovely smell to it. That's, you might as well say, that's 3-inch. That's 2 3/4. Yeah, 2 3/4. 2.5. No, we'll say that's 3-inch. 3-inch box there. That probably weighs 20 kilos. Nice bit of metal that. As you can see, it's not. It does say they could be rusty. Obviously, where they got on the floor, but this is like perfect. Some nice 2x1 there. I haven't got my verniers on me, they're in my van. At least I've checked the thickness and stuff. I reckon that's, what's that, 1/2 inch? It's an inch, isn't it? No, it's half, yeah, inch. That's a nice bit there. Channel. I mean, you obviously wear your gloves because now you can see where they've cut it. That's fine for me because you can clean it up. Nice bit of channel, I've got a use for that. Another nice bit of box, channel, box, or some people call it tube, I call it box, I don't know. That's tube to me. That's nice. That's very nice. Like, so I'll do it fairly quick just because some people won't be interested. That's about, I imagine that's 1.5 inches. Yeah, 1.5 inches. inch and a half by inch and a half. Should do it in metric, shouldn't I? Because, you know, nice bit of flat. Very handy. I left an odd because I've got, it's a lot of money for offcuts if it's not what you want. It's perfect. Look at that. You know, the hundreds of uses I could do, things I could do with that. Well worth the money, I think. Oh, nice solid bit of bar. Now, if that was a little bit longer, that could be the axle for fast 8, but it's not long enough. What size is that? Oh, I don't know. A 600. So we might have a use for that. And we've got another nice bit of angle. Another nice bit of angle. Hope you can see this all right. Hope this is coming out okay. Don't put the lights on or nothing. Another nice bit of angle. And obviously there's no weight in these, so this is where you get your money's worth. You're doing smaller stuff. Yeah, look at that. Nice bit of solid. I should imagine that's half inch, or that's got to be inch, isn't it? Yeah, I'd say it's inch, or near enough. Solid. Another 2x1 or 50x25. And there's all these little offcuts what could have come in handy. Another nice bit of flat. Another nice bit of angle. Like I say, there's going to be sharp on the edge. These are offcuts. These are what, when they're doing a run, they cut these off. Rather than scrapping, they sell them. Well, it's bloody good because you just can't get hold of the stuff. Not new and clean like that. So there's more. There's another one. What's the width for these? Job to say about them, I should imagine they're about 2mm, inch and a half, and that's about that's 21 inches long. That you can do the conversions. At least we've been doing the videos all night. That's a thicker bit of plate. Well, that one there is another nice bit of plate, probably about 2mm, I should imagine, 1.5 thick. Nice bit there. That's probably about 3mm, maybe more, 4mm, I don't know. Can't. Yeah, I'm only guessing. The smell is lovely. Yeah, smell of metal. I should imagine that's half inch again. Three-quarter of an inch. Angle. And that's a job to say the size when you see it on the screen, isn't it? Oh, big chunky angle. Again, that is that's 2 foot long, 24 inches. That's what, 600mm on it, roughly. Give or take. Another nice flat bit of bar. Yeah, that one is kinked, but does it matter? Are you worried about that sort of thing? If you are, then this is not for you. To me, it could be a bend I don't have to put in something. And another flat bit. So as you can see, I think that's well worth £38. I'm sure it's £38. That's 25 kilos worth. I think I might have lost a few, but couple of bits even. We'll fill out the package. I'm not worried about. Probably a man with a DHS van now, figuring out where this bit of metal come from. The service I will put up a little thing, photo of the company off my phone. I can't remember the name of it, and yeah, hopefully I'll do that. Remember to do it before I put it up, because they supplied my metal. Well, I've had 2 deliveries from them today, different companies delivering, obviously for different, yeah, because of the metal. But I'm really pleased with the company. I've done this. So obviously I paid for all this with my own money and all the rest of it. So something like that, it's handy, isn't it? Got loads more videos of unpacking stuff coming up, so don't like them, then obviously just do the obvious and don't watch them. But there's some good stuff here. But something like that, you know, it saves if I need a bit that length or smaller, I don't need to cut into me 3 metre lengths I've got laying on the floor. Okay. I need a bit like that for Project Charlene to go across the chassis, so there isn't going to be much what doesn't come in handy. You can even make that into something. Nice, actually a nice bit of metal that is. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little video and I hope you could see okay, because it's raining and the door's open and all of this I don't think you can see in here, and if anything's steamed up. But I hope you liked that. So that's soft cuts, box soft cuts. What more can you say? Oh, there's more there, look. Angle. Yeah, and it's nice because normally I get metal and it's you know, I use a lot of my scrap metal and it's all painted or it's rusty. I've got a good start with these. Oh yeah, just run the grinder over quickly before I weld them up. And yeah, excellent. I'm well chuffed. So I hope I'll remember I'll put the eBay name on the in the video. Right, thanks for watching. If you like this sort of stuff, subscribe. All the usual sort of stuff. Put the thumbs up because that helps me a lot. And I'll see you next time. Take it easy. Hopefully you can see that. That's the eBay seller. It was £38.50. But like I say, I think that's well worth that. Yeah, and they've been really good. I've held they've sort of sent the stuff out, let me know straight away that stuff's coming and all the rest of it. But it's gone blank. Like I say, see you next time. Cheers.